Hello?
Hello, I'm looking for Oxanna.
Yes, I'm Oxanna.
I'm Detective Sergeant Byrne. I'd just like to ask you a few questions.
Nice to meet you. I meant to ring you back, but I haven't been very well.
That's all right. I'm just here checking on a missing boy, Annie Bashir. You know him?
Yeah, he used to go to Ruby's crash. Ruby's the little girl I look after.
Someone said that you often pick him up after the crash.
That's correct. Not often, though. Just a few times.
And tell me, where would you take him?
Well, a couple of times I take him here, and his mother pick him up.
That's Layla.
Layla.
Tell me, was Ruby's mother here as well?
Zoe? No. I don't think Zoe ever met Honey. She's not much here during the day.
I see. And where does she work at?
She's a businesswoman.
Where?
She works freelancing.
Freelancing. I see. And tell me, did you ever take the boy anywhere else?
Sometimes we met his mother in the park.
Did you ever meet anybody else with his mother?
Just mothers from the crash.
Did anybody else ever collect him?
I don't know.
And would you know where Annie is now?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, if you think of anyone, just let me know.
Of course. I hope you find him.
Yeah.
Zoe. Zoe, it's fine now. What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this a bad time?
Heather.
Oh, no, it's okay. Come back.
No, it's just, you didn't see that detective on the way in.
What detective?
Detective Byrne. He was just at the door talking to me.
Oh my God, you're kidding me.
No, he only left a minute ago.
Oh, what if he saw me? I told him earlier that I didn't know you.
He questioned you about me?
Yes, in the bistro, and he asked me about the photo of Danielle's funeral.
Oh, man.
Well, that's what I came to tell you.
Why didn't you ring me?
I'm sorry, I did, but you never answer your phone.
That's mine.